So, before we start our show, how are you guys feeling today? Good. Yes, alright. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Alright, regular show, patriotic first. Yeah, well done. Paris. A-W. E-L-C-O-N-E. Welcome. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. And next 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Wow, good. Yellow name, Amazon parrot. This is Coco, yeah? Yeah, yellow name, Amazon parrot. Okay. So how about we have a little chat with Coco here? Yeah, Coco over here. We have a lot of new friends, Coco. Okay. How about you say hello to them? Hello, yeah, just say hello to all of you, alright? Now, Coco, over here we have pretty ladies, okay? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi, yeah, Coco just say hi to all ladies. So sweet, right? Coco, how about you say something to kids and children here? Okay, guys, can you give them a happy hello? Happy, hello, yeah? So happy. Well done, Coco. Alright, okay, Coco, now I have one simple question for you. How do you feel today, Coco? Do you feel good or not? Good. Wow, Coco feel good today. Alright, that was great news. I feel good too, Coco. Okay? I hope you guys feel good too, yeah? But Coco, are you sure you feel good today? If you feel good, can you show them your happy expression from your heart? Wow, nice laughing. Miss Coco feeling so happy, right? Okay, now can we try one more time, Coco? Okay, well done. Alright, thank you so much. Give a big hand to Coco.